Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Anita Brito in conversation with the amazing team of Metro in Dino. Hello people.
Hello.
बहुत एनर्जी लग रही है आप लोग में, बट मुझे एक सेगमेंट करना है आपके साथ, वो मैं बाद में करूंगी, थोड़ी बातचीत हो जाए आप सबके साथ. Metro in Dino talks about second chances. I want to ask all of you all, have you ever taken a chance that has changed your life? I want to start. Whoever wants to start.
माँ से
first.
शुरू करते हैं.
चलो.
Yeah, I mean, I said I want to be an actor when I was like 96 kgs and like halfway through Columbia. And then I started to, you know, lose some weight and study a little less and work on myself a little more. And it changed my life.
Nice. Konkana, Adi,
Adi, you've thought?
Adi, ja.
I've thought
Say na.
basic low hanging fruit. But yeah, I think I guess
What you talking about? What
I
is
mean,
going
the
to
same
say?
thing. Becoming an actor, I got my first job as a VJ with Channel V. I had no experience in performing. I just did the job, and then it set me on a path which I guess has led to me finding what I love doing and all that. So, not like the stakes so high, but yeah, doing something that you never planned to. This worked out well. Yeah.
Konkana.
Yeah, okay. Maybe directing a film because I didn't. I mean, that was a chance that one took, and it was it was scary.
But it paid off very well, and people love you
She
in
should
that.
do more.
that show. Yeah, she should do more.
Come
That's
on.
all.
I'm
telling you,
Casting.
I know, always supporting me.
Yeah, I know,
right?
but you should cast me.
Casting.
पहले मेरी casting होगी मैं.
See, you have a cast
You have
ready.
a cast ready.
Yeah.
Story नहीं.
Yeah. You just need to now sit on the things.
नहीं मेरा ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है. आई फील कि जब मैंने ऑडिशन देना बंद नहीं किया, आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा चेंज ज़्यादा कि when you don't give up you get chances. So because of that I got दंगल. फिर वहाँ से चीज़ें शुरू हुई और वहाँ से फिर मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली टू चूज द फिल्म्स दैट आई वांट टू, बिकॉज अंटिल देन जो मिल जाता मैं कर लेती. अगर कोई खराब फिल्म भी होती मैं कर लेती, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम यू डोंट हैव वर्क, you will just take whatever you get. So I'm lucky that I got that. And that I auditioned for Dangal because I had said no. क्योंकि जब उन्होंने बोला कॉल करके कि इसका है, मैंने गूगल किया गीता फोगाट, मैंने ये तो मैं हूँ नहीं, 49 kgs की थी, मैंने ये तो मैं लग नहीं सकती. उन्होंने बोला आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है, बस आ जाओ ऑडिशन दे दो. So that's how it started.
And you still do auditions?
I love auditioning. I love auditioning. मेरे अंदर का स्ट्रगल बाहर आ जाता है. सच्ची. मैं अभी रिसेंटली आई टोल्ड यू ना दादा दैट आई ऑडिशनड वन. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने किसी चीज़ के लिए ऑडिशन किया. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रोल है एंड आई होप आई गेट इट, बट आई डिड प्रॉपर रिसर्च. मैंने बैठ के मतलब 2 हफ्ता बैठ के उसके लिए प्रिपेयर किया, हर चीज़ पढ़ ली उस कैरेक्टर के बारे में, एंड आई गिव द ऑडिशन. सो आई रियली एंजॉय गिविंग ऑडिशंस.
Wow. Well, as long as somebody's taking a chance on me, I don't know. We're always taking chances. With every project, it's a chance, because I'm doing that and not doing, the whatever else there is. So,
But any other, thing that
I
you
mean,
took
again,
it up
same
as a
acting,
challenge?
yeah. I was a science student, man. Like, broke my arm playing sports. Suddenly, that was a big chance for me. Yeah.
Anurag sir?
अरे many second chances life has given me. Engineering छोड़ के direction में आना. But honestly, if you ask me, the first in my life actually, and my doctors gave me my second chance. That's the biggest second chance I ever got.
Thank God.
I mean, I know. Thanks to my doctors. Yeah.
But, has the idea of forever become unrealistic now, or we were patient back then and we are not now? Do you think that?
Because life expectancy is now more. So you have to be longer for those 20 years more. No. People are going to start living till they're 100. No? So it's like forever is even longer.
Yeah.
With modern medicine.
Anyone else would like to?
नहीं मैंने सवाल सुना नहीं, सॉरी.
Do you think that now the idea of forever is unrealistic? Because either we don't have patience now and we had patience then, or the things have completely changed.
नहीं,
in terms
इंटेंशन
of
अगर
life.
हो तो यू कैन वेट फॉर एवर. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर इंटेंशन हो तो फिर वो फॉर एवर उतना लंबा लगता नहीं. अगर इंटेंशन नहीं हो तो एक दिन भी बहुत लंबा लगता है.
I feel there is no forever. There never was. There never will be. Nothing is forever.
I agree.
And everything is, and that's what's so beautiful. Life is ephemeral and life is quick and passing, and that's why we can, cherish it and enjoy it.
The best you can do is live today fully, and then tomorrow will take care of itself, is how I look at it.
Absolutely. But also, what is that most underrated emotion that we don't use anymore in love stories today?
Underrated?
Underrated emotion.
In
that we
love
don't-
stories.
Love
हाँ
story.
मुझे लगा था जिंदगी के
हाँ,
बारे
मुझे
में।
भी।
हाँ, बहुत सारे
Fear,
ऐसे
fear.
emotions।
Fear, we
Fear
don't
of-
show that in love stories.
Is it
I'm
tough
guessing
to
we don't,
find
huh?
conflict? Is it tough to find a
Rejection?
Fear of
We
rejection.
don't show. We don't show even
No, but-
loneliness a lot.
Yeah.
I think in
No, but I
Life
think
a
in
Mile-
good
Loneliness.
films,
Well,
in good
loneliness
films
is
they
there, na?
show-
Sad songs where the
Yeah.
guy is thinking about the
Self-contemplation.
girl and all that is there.
अच्छी फिल्मों में सारे इमोशंस
Yeah.
होते हैं अगर अच्छी कहानी में
Self contemplation.
Introspect.
We don't show. Yeah.
Introspect.
Yeah.
is what we don't.
Yeah.
And how to deal with rejection, because I think that's a part of
Yeah.
many people's lives, you know.
Mm.
That's true. Sarah, you want to add something?
We covered it?
Yeah,
Bolia?
yeah, we can.
Yeah.
All right. But has the idea of love in 2025 changed? I will ask you this why, because I met Kajol and Kajol told me that it's very difficult to make a love story in the year 2025, and I don't think so people will accept it. And I also further asked her, if DDLJ released in 2025, do you think people will accept it the way they accepted it back then? Even Anupam Khera asked the same question, and Anupam sir said no. He feels people will not accept it because the idea of love and the entire thing has changed. Kajol ma'am said it might be accepted, but not the way it did back then. What is your take on it? Do you think
Yeah,
About DDLJ? Or in general?
DDLJ in general in love, you know, the love stories, the idea of love
I
is
think, no, the
completely
form
changed.
has changed, but love story is still there.
Yeah.
The ways have changed, the mediums are different,
प्यार
and
तो
but
वैसा
I
ही
think
होता है।
हाँ प्यार मतलब you know लोग अलग हो गए, aspirations change हो गए, but I think the hunger of falling in love with somebody, lot of things have changed. We have to redefine it. You cannot tell the same old story. If you say the same old story in a new way in today's time, I think it will work. I
और
think.
वो भी सही है ना, ये तो अनफेयर है बोलना कि जो पहले चल रहा था वो अभी भी
I
चले।
think-
हम चेंज हो रहे हैं, कहानियां चेंज हो रही हैं, हम इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं।
Even if I see a lot of these young kids and Gen Z, their reels and everything, it's all around love only. Where
it
is-
depends on how
yeah.
well it's made.
Yeah.
How well it's told, the story.
हाँ, कार्टवील
performed.
करके भी अगर आप बोल दोगे कि इसने मुझे छोड़ दिया, तो होता है
सही बात है.
तू क्या करेगी, मैं तुझे छोड़ के जा, वो भी होता है।